everybody, Lucy Quinones, broker and CEO here at C21Birchwood Realty. At C21Birchwood Realty, the word has gotten out. We are now the new and improved, the first Century 21 to have opened in Lee County many years ago. And with the times, we stayed in business, but it was time to bring a refreshing to C21Birchwood Realty, and we have done it. We are now a launching pad for great successful agents. We provide agent development, we provide marketing, resources, non-competing brokers, an environment of faith, family, and friendship where our agents are thriving, and we are looking to continue growing alongside our agents. We're one of the few brokerages where the brokers actually get into the trenches with their agents and get out into the marketplace and make things happen. We are the new, bigger, better, bolder Birchwood. A new atmosphere, an innovative place to work, a fun, friendly environment, and most of all, we love watching our agents rise. So if you're looking for a place like this, or if you have any questions on how what we're teaching our agents, what we're bringing to the table as the business partner of our agents is helping them thrive, I invite you to reach out to us. We can meet for a cup of coffee and chat. I promise I will not talk about recruiting you. I will only discuss you and your business. After all, I'd be crazy to think you're gonna leave your current broker over a cup of coffee. But here's one thing that I am looking for. If you ever decide to make a change, I would like to be your destination brokerage. So text, call, or email us, and I look forward to talking to you soon.